What if I told you that this is an acrylic paint and it's quite actually simple to use it? Let me show you. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at Kaleido Color Works paints. I've heard a lot of positive comments about them, so it's time to see how they actually perform in real modeling project. I'll be testing them through an airbrush, checking their coverage, finish, and as I said to you, how easy they are to work with during the painting process. The unboxing felt exactly the same like buying an Apple product. You can see that they spent so many time thinking about the unboxing experience and the packaging as well. Inside you will find this color chart as well some tips and the technology behind this painting that feels like lacquer. Inside you will also find some thinner for the airbrush and you can add a few drops when you think the density of the color is not at your taste. I've only find one small problem and it's the tip of the cap. I think it's not precise, but you will see on the video what I'm talking about. It comes with a cleaner too for the brush and airbrush. And this is the auto color set, which means that the most well-known color cars are in here. I think you will find some amazing ones. My favorites are the blues, the metallic blues. I don't know why they are so crisp, so awesome. As you guys know, I am currently building the Ducati Superleggera, and the best choice was this Italian Racing Red for the paddock. For the airbrush, I've used only the best Gallery, and it's the Mobius TG 0.5, and you can have the exact same model with a 10% discount on their website. It's Monaco Miniatures. As I've told you, these are the easiest paints in the market. You just open the bottle and you drop the paint on the airbrush and you're ready to go. The red, it's for me the best paint to airbrush because you can see the coverage or with the red, it's always like perfect. It covers all the way through the piece and it just felt like an actual lacquer. And this is the final piece painted, and you can easily see that the coverage is almost perfect, and the red always does this. That's why it's the best paint to airbrush, because the coverage is nearly perfect. And I think we may just need a little varnish, so Kaleido Color Works just sent me this varnish, the gloss finish 2, and we are going to apply it to give the extra smooth finish on this paddock. And as I've said to you in the beginning of the video, this is the only problem I find. It's how it's designed, the bottle cap of the varnish. It's not as fancy as the bottle paints with the small tip. It's more messier, but I think Kaleido can work it out in the meanwhile. I've sprayed 2 coats of varnish gloss. It's enough, it's completely gloss. It worked really well, it's easy to use. I've used 2 in the tiny wheels for the paddock. They are so shiny and transparent, and you can see you can almost use it on everything. After spending time with Kaleido Color Works paints, I can say they left a very positive impression. They spray well, provide strong coverage, and produce a quality finish that modelers will appreciate. Would I use them again? Absolutely, they've proven to be reliable and enjoyable to work with throughout this project. Have you tried Kaleido Color Works paints? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future modeling content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.